Best bag for travel comparison. Duffel bags are a versatile and essential piece of travel gear, offering flexibility, lightweight design, and ample storage for everything from weekend getaways to extended trips. With a wide range of options available, choosing the right duffel bag can be challenging. To help you make an informed decision, list number: the Amazon Basics 32-inch extra-large foldable duffel bag is a budget-friendly option designed for travelers who need maximum storage capacity without breaking the bank. With a massive 150-liter capacity and lightweight nylon construction, this bag is ideal for extended trips or transporting bulky items. It features 5 compartments, including interior and exterior zippered pockets for organization, and folds flat for easy storage when not in use. During testing, the bag impressed with its durability, holding up to 50 pounds of gear without sagging or tearing. While the nylon material is lightweight and easy to clean, it lacks the premium feel of higher-end models. The lack of padding on the shoulder straps makes it less comfortable for extended carrying, but its collapsible design and affordability make it a great backup or occasional use bag. List number: the Meta 65L duffel bag is a versatile and compact option for travelers who prioritize organization. With its 65L capacity, it strikes a balance between portability and storage, making it suitable for weekend trips or as a gym bag. The standout feature is the separate shoe compartment, which keeps footwear or dirty clothes isolated from the main storage area. The polyester material is lightweight, water-resistant, and tear-resistant, ensuring durability. In real-world use, the Meta bag excelled in scenarios requiring quick access to essentials, thanks to its multiple pockets and luggage sleeve for easy transport. However, the shoe compartment takes up internal space, slightly reducing the effective capacity. Despite its compact size, the bag's lightweight design and comfortable handles make it a reliable travel companion for short trips. List number: the Urtala 120L foldable travel duffel bag is a spacious and durable option designed for heavy-duty use. With a 120L capacity, it can accommodate clothing and gear for a family of 3 for up to a week. The water-resistant 600D polyester material and reinforced zippers ensure durability, while the ventilated shoe compartment adds versatility. It folds down compactly when not in use, making it a great just-in-case bag. This bag performed well in tests, holding up under heavy loads and offering excellent organization with 7 compartments. The padded shoulder straps and side handles make it easier to carry, even when fully loaded. However, at 1.9 pounds, it's heavier than other options, and its size may not meet carry-on requirements for some airlines. It's an excellent choice for road trips or as a secondary storage bag. List number: the Luasip large women travel duffel bag is a stylish and functional option tailored for female travelers. With an elegant design and a 35-liter capacity, it's perfect for weekend trips, gym sessions, or as a hospital bag. The bag includes a separate wet pocket, a shoe compartment, and a free toiletry bag, making it a versatile choice for various scenarios. Its lightweight construction and padded shoulder strap enhance portability. The Luasip bag stood out for its thoughtful design, including metal feet to protect the fabric and multiple compartments for better organization. However, its smaller 35-liter capacity limits its use for longer trips. While it's not the most spacious option, its sleek design and practical features make it an excellent choice for short trips or as a secondary bag. List number: the Litviak 50L canvas duffel bag is a premium option that combines style and functionality. Made from high-density cotton canvas with classic hardware, this bag exudes durability and sophistication. Its expandable design allows the length to increase from 20.87 inches to 23.62 inches, offering flexibility for different travel needs. With 7 compartments, including multiple zippered pockets, it provides excellent organization. This bag performed exceptionally well in terms of durability and aesthetics, making it a great choice for business trips or stylish weekend getaways. However, at 2.3 pounds, it's the heaviest on this list, which may be a drawback for some users. The premium price is justified by its superior materials and thoughtful design, making it a worthwhile investment for frequent travelers.